There are several foods that can produce glucose spikes and a significant impact on your health. Do you know what those foods are? This is our subject for today, so stay tuned to learn which ones you need to avoid at all costs. Hello dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your number one trusted information source for weight loss, health, and wellness insights. Today, we're diving into a critical topic that affects millions: the 22 most dangerous foods for high blood sugar. Understanding how to manage blood sugar levels is essential for maintaining overall health and achieving your fitness goals. So, let's get started. What is blood sugar? Blood sugar, or glucose, is the main sugar found in your blood. It comes from the food you eat and is one of your body's primary sources of energy. Glucose travels through your bloodstream to your cells, providing them with the energy needed to perform their functions. Maintaining the right blood sugar levels is crucial for your body to operate efficiently. Why is it important to keep stable levels of sugar? Stable blood sugar levels are vital for overall health. When blood sugar levels are stable, your body can maintain consistent energy levels, improve concentration, and reduce the risk of developing serious health issues like diabetes. Unstable blood sugar levels, on the other hand, can lead to fatigue, mood swings, and long-term complications such as cardiovascular disease and nerve damage. What are the signs and symptoms of high blood sugar? Recognizing the signs of high blood sugar is essential for early intervention. Common symptoms include frequent urination, increased thirst, blurred vision, fatigue, headaches, difficulty concentrating, unexplained weight loss. What hormones control blood sugar? Several hormones play a role in regulating blood sugar levels. These hormones are insulin. Produced by the pancreas, insulin helps cells absorb glucose from the bloodstream. Glucagon. Also produced by the pancreas, glucagon prompts the liver to release stored glucose when blood sugar levels are low. Cortisol, a stress hormone that can increase blood sugar levels by stimulating glucose production in the liver. Epinephrine, another stress hormone that increases blood sugar levels during times of stress or intense physical activity. How does high blood sugar affect weight loss? High blood sugar can significantly impact your weight loss efforts. When blood sugar levels are elevated, insulin levels also rise to help lower glucose. However, high insulin levels can promote fat storage, especially in the abdominal area, making it harder to lose weight. Additionally, fluctuating blood sugar levels can lead to cravings and overeating, further hindering weight loss. How do high levels of sugar impact your health? High blood sugar levels can have severe long-term health consequences, including diabetes. Both type 1 and type 2 diabetes result from issues with insulin production and glucose regulation. Cardiovascular disease. High blood sugar levels can damage blood vessels, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Kidney damage. Excess glucose can strain the kidneys, potentially leading to kidney disease or failure. Nerve damage. High blood sugar can damage nerves, leading to conditions like peripheral neuropathy. Eye damage. Prolonged high blood sugar levels can cause damage to the retina, leading to vision problems or blindness. The 22 most dangerous foods for high blood sugar. Now, let's explore the 22 foods that are most dangerous for high blood sugar. 1. Sugary drinks. Sodas, sweetened teas, and energy drinks are loaded with sugar and can spike blood glucose levels. 2. Bread. Made from flour, bread has a high glycemic index. 3. Rice. Like bread, rice can cause rapid blood sugar spikes. 4. Pastries and sweets. Cakes, cookies, and donuts are high in sugar and refined carbohydrates. 5. Breakfast cereals. Many cereals are high in sugar and low in fiber. 6. Fruit juices. Often contain added sugars and lack the fiber found in whole fruits. 7. Commercial processed meats. Sausages and deli meats often contain starches and added sugars. 8. Commercial dairy products. High in added sugars and can contribute to chronic inflammation and insulin resistance. 9. Fried foods. High in unhealthy fats and can lead to insulin resistance. 10. Packaged snacks. Chips and crackers are often high in refined carbs, unhealthy fats, and sugars. 11. Candy. Loaded with sugar, candy can cause immediate blood sugar spikes. 12. Ice cream. High in sugar and fat, leading to increased blood sugar levels. 13. Flavored yogurts. often contain added sugars, making them a lot less healthy than plain yogurt. 14. Sauces. Ketchup, barbecue sauce, and salad dressings can contain hidden sugars. 15. Fast food, typically high in refined carbs, sugars, and unhealthy fats. 16. Alcohol, can lead to erratic blood sugar levels and is often mixed with sugary mixes. 17. Granola bars, often marketed as healthy but can be high in sugar. 18. Dried fruits, concentrated sources of sugar without the fiber of fresh fruits and may contain added sugars. 19. Sweetened nut butters, added sugars can turn a healthy snack into a blood sugar spike. 20. Pasta, made from refined flour, pasta can cause rapid glucose increases. 21. Energy bars, often high in sugars and refined carbohydrates. 22. Pizza, high in refined carbs and unhealthy fats, which can elevate blood sugar levels. What diseases can high blood sugar produce? Having consistent high blood sugar levels can lead to several serious diseases, including type 2 diabetes, a chronic condition that affects the way your body processes blood sugar; cardiovascular disease, increased risk of heart attacks and strokes; kidney disease, damage to the kidneys can result in chronic kidney disease or failure; neuropathy, nerve damage that can cause pain, tingling, or loss of sensation in extremities; retinopathy, eye damage that can lead to vision impairment or blindness; non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, excess fat buildup in the liver that can lead to liver damage. How can you mitigate the negative effects of high blood sugar foods? To mitigate the effects of high blood sugar foods, consider the next strategies. Choose low glycemic index foods. Foods with a low glycemic index release glucose more slowly and steadily. Increase fiber intake. Fiber helps slow the absorption of sugar, keeping blood sugar levels stable. Stay hydrated. Drinking water helps regulate blood sugar levels. Exercise regularly. Physical activity helps improve insulin sensitivity. Eat balanced meals. Combine fiber with protein and healthy fats to slow glucose absorption. Monitor blood sugar levels. Regular monitoring can help you manage your diet more effectively. Eat 3 times per day max. Eating 3 times per day can help reduce glucose levels, thereby reducing insulin levels and preventing other conditions. Opt for whole food. Choose high-quality proteins, whole low-glycemic fruits, and vegetables over processed foods. Walk after a high-glucose food or any meal. Walking after a meal can help to mitigate the effects of high glucose levels, and help you to keep low insulin levels. Aim to walk for at least 20 to 30 minutes after each meal. What supplements help to control blood sugar? Several supplements and natural remedies can help manage blood sugar levels. Chromium, a mineral that enhances insulin action. Recommended dose ranges from 200 to 1000 micrograms per day. Magnesium improves insulin sensitivity. You can take 300 to 400 milligrams per day. Alpha-lipoic acid, an antioxidant that can improve insulin sensitivity. Recommended dose is 300 to 600 milligrams per day. Cinnamon may help lower blood sugar levels. Recommended dose is 1 to 6 grams per day. Berberine, a plant compound that can lower blood sugar. It has a similar effect to metformin. Recommended dose goes from 500 milligrams to 1 gram, 2 to 3 times per day. Fenugreek seeds can help improve blood sugar control. Recommended dose is 2 to 5 grams per day. Bitter melon contains compounds that can lower blood sugar. Recommended dose ranges from 100 to 200 milliliters of juice per day or 1 to 2 capsules per day. Probiotics improve gut health, which can influence blood sugar control. Look for supplements with multiple strains and CFU counts in the billions. In conclusion and to summarize today's video, maintaining stable blood sugar levels is essential for overall health and optimal bodily function. Blood sugar, or glucose, is the primary source of energy for your cells and is derived from the food you consume. Stable glucose levels are critical for maintaining consistent energy, concentration, and reducing the risk of serious health issues such as diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and nerve damage. Recognizing high blood sugar is crucial for early intervention. Symptoms include frequent urination, increased thirst, blurred vision, fatigue, headaches, difficulty concentrating, and unexplained weight loss. These symptoms signal that the body is not efficiently managing blood glucose levels. Blood sugar regulation involves several hormones like insulin, produced by the pancreas, enables cells to absorb glucose. Glucagon, also from the pancreas, prompts the liver to release stored glucose. Cortisol, a stress hormone, increases blood sugar by stimulating glucose production in the liver, while epinephrine, another stress hormone, elevates blood sugar during stress or intense physical activity. Elevated blood sugar raises insulin levels to help lower glucose, but high insulin promotes fat storage, particularly in the abdominal area, making weight loss more challenging. Fluctuating blood sugar also leads to cravings and overeating, further complicating weight management. Long-term health consequences of high blood sugar are severe. These include diabetes, both type 1 and type 2, stems from issues with insulin production and glucose regulation. Cardiovascular disease risk increases due to blood vessel damage. Kidney damage can occur due to excess glucose, leading to chronic kidney disease or failure. High blood sugar can also cause nerve damage, resulting in conditions like peripheral neuropathy and eye damage, which can lead to vision problems or blindness. Certain foods can exacerbate high blood sugar levels. These include sugary drinks, bread, rice, pastries, breakfast cereals, fruit juices, processed commercial meats, full-fat dairy products, fried foods, packaged snacks, candy, ice cream, flavored yogurts, sauces and condiments, fast food, alcohol, granola bars, dried fruits, sweetened nut butters, pasta, energy bars, and pizza. These foods are high in sugars, refined carbohydrates, unhealthy fats, and can cause rapid glucose spikes. Persistent high blood sugar can lead to diseases such as type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, kidney disease, neuropathy, retinopathy, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. To mitigate the negative effects of high blood sugar foods, consider these strategies. Choose low glycemic index foods, increase fiber intake, stay hydrated, exercise regularly, eat healthy meals, monitor blood sugar levels, opt for whole foods, and walk after meals. Several supplements and natural remedies can also help manage blood sugar levels. Chromium, magnesium, alpha-lipoic acid, cinnamon, berberine, fenugreek, bitter melon, and probiotics. By incorporating these strategies, you can better manage your blood sugar levels, leading to improved health and effective weight management. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even more content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.